On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Lifelike.
Resembling or appearing similar to something alive or real, often realistically or vividly, convincing or authentic in appearance or behavior.
Examples:
Lifelike painting, lifelike animation. The artist created a lifelike sculpture of a famous politician for the town square.
Phantom.
A ghost or a spirit of a dead person, something existing only in your imagination or perception.
Examples:
A phantom company, phantom limb pain. The police frantically searched for clues to the phantom killer.
Chafe.
To rub or graze against something, causing irritation, soreness, or annoyance. To become irritated or annoyed due to frustration or impatience.
Examples:
Chafed against my shoulders. Chafe under pressure. The new shoes are starting to chafe my feet after walking for hours.
Throb.
To beat with a strong, regular rhythm as a pulse or a heart.
Examples:
Throb at the thought of the accident. Throb with excitement. The wound continued to throb with pain, despite the medication.
Ingrown.
Referring to a hair or nail that has grown into the skin surrounding it, causing irritation or infection.
Examples:
Ingrown pimple. Ingrown hair. An ingrown toenail can be very painful and requires medical attention.
Toenail.
The hard, flat covering on the end of a toe, made of layers of dead skin cells, often requires regular grooming and trimming to maintain proper hygiene and appearance.
Examples:
Toenail fungus. Ingrown toenail. I accidentally stubbed my toe and broke my toenail.
Astonishing.
Surprising or shocking, difficult to believe.
Examples:
Astonishing achievement. Make astonishing gains. The news of her sudden death was astonishing to everyone who knew her.
Apparition.
The appearance of a ghost or ghost-like image, a sudden and unexpected appearance of something or someone.
Examples:
Apparition ghost. Mysterious apparition. Walking through the graveyard at night, I saw an eerie apparition of a ghostly figure.
Amputation.
The act of cutting off a part of the body surgically.
Examples:
Amputation of leg. Hand amputation. Amputation of the limb is a last resort for the patient.
Neuron.
A cell that is specialized to carry information within the brain and between the brain and other parts of the body.
Examples:
Excite the neurons. Neuron cell body. Our body transfers information along each neuron using an electrical impulse.
Fingertip.
The end or tip of a finger.
Examples:
Apply fingertip pressure. Burn my fingertip. The archaeologist ran his fingertips along the pattern of the tombstones.
Sever.
To break or separate something by cutting, especially suddenly and forcibly.
Examples:
Sever a rope. Sever a positive relationship. He severed a branch from a tree quickly.
Curtail.
To reduce or restrict something, to shorten or truncate, to cut short or bring to an abrupt end.
Examples:
Curtail spending. Curtail freedom. Due to budget constraints, the company had to curtail its marketing campaign for the new product.
Dorsal.
Located on the back, particularly the upper surface of an animal's body, related to or pertaining to the back.
Examples:
Dorsal surface. Dorsal root. The shark's dorsal fin is a distinguishing feature.
Intensify.
To increase or make something increase in extent or strength.
Examples:
Intensify diplomatic efforts. Intensify a good relationship. Rebels have pledged to intensify the armed struggle against the dictatorship.
Somatosensor.
A type of sensory receptor in the skin, muscles, tendons, and joints that respond to touch, pressure, temperature, or pain stimuli and sends signals to the brain for processing in the somatosensory cortex.
Examples:
Somatosensor neuron. Somatosensor cortex. The somatosensor in your skin detects touch, pressure, and temperature changes.
Cortical.
Relating to or located in the outer layer of an organ or body structure, particularly the cortex of the brain.
Examples:
Cortical neurons. Cortical activity. The MRI showed activity in the cortical region of the patient's brain.
Homunculus.
A representation or model of a tiny human being, often used to illustrate or represent the senses or motor functions of the human body.
Examples:
Homunculus diagram. Virtual homunculus. The homunculus theory suggests that the human brain contains a small, human-like figure that controls our voluntary movements and sensations.
Devote.
To commit or dedicate oneself or one's time, effort, or energy to a particular task or purpose.
Examples:
Devote all of my energies. Devote my own life. He devoted himself to studying the history of ancient civilizations.
Prosthetic.
Of or relating to an artificial part of the body, such as a limb, a heart, or a breast implant.
Examples:
Have prosthetic arms. Prosthetic limbs. New prosthetic joints are less prone to metal poisoning.
Amputee.
A person who has had an arm or a leg cut off.
Examples:
Quadruple amputee. Amputee runner. Amputees often experience an illusion of a phantom limb.